Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review you how to run a simple macro using VBA codes. So to run a macro or VBA, so first we need to have the developer tab here and on the customize ribbon. So if you don't see the developer tab, so where you can find, you can go into the files and go into the options, then customize ribbon. So on the right side you can see the developer tab is here. If it is unchecked, just click check mark and click it on OK. So it will appear on your customized ribbon. So now we will see how we can run a macro or VBA. So once you click on the developer tab, you can see this functions. So click on Visual Basics. So here I have already two modules. So once again I will show you how to uh, create a module. Just click on the down arrow, then click on the module. So you will see this whiteboard. So in this we will execute our codes. So first, subroutine. So here we are going to do copy paste. So here you can give any name. To keep in mind that when you are giving any name, there should be a no space between the name which you are giving. So first we will write the copy. We will write something from the column F, so which should be executed on the column. So here if you go to the Excel sheet is blank. Now I want something should be updated here from column F1 to F10. So I will write range from inverted comma open F1 to F10, then inverted comma close, then bracket, then type equal. Now I want to give something like hello all. Here one thing, when you are giving any some text, you should always use this inverted commas open and close. So now if we run this macro, you can see in the column F this will be updated. So from F1 to F1 we have given the macro to update hello all. So now I want to copy this F1 to F10. This should be reflected same, it should be copy and pasted to the column J. So it is simple. Type range bracket open inverted comma, now from J1 to J10. Okay, then this is my destination where I have to copy and paste the data. So now from where I have to pick my data, from column F, then range, this is column F1 to F10. And dot value. Now if I run this macro, it should show me yes. So from it has copied from the column F and it has pasted to the column J. So this will help in your daily task which you are going to repeated task you have to do every time. You have to type and you have to again copy paste. So this macro will help you to automatically copy from one column or one row to another cell. So this is the simple first method. Now we will see the second method how we can do the same copy paste. So again I will write sub copy paste to. So from here I want to copy from the column F2. I want to copy and paste the data to the column N. So I will delete this. So column L, column, so it will be range inverted comma open and F1 to F10 dot copy. Then where we have to paste, we have to paste to the column K. And range inverted comma open from K1 to K10. You can give the range to any column. It might be K1 or K2, or from K10 you can paste the data. So here this is example, just I'm showing from F1 to Fn to K1 to K10, and here the bracket close dot paste special. So now the data is we have to copy from F1 to Fn, that is the dot copy, and we want to paste it in the column K. So dot paste special, and it should be not cut paste. So to keep in mind, it should be not cut and paste. So we will write application dot cut copy mode, that is equal to false. So here this will help us. The data will remains in the F1 to F10, but only it will copy and it will paste to the column K1 to K10. So we will run this macro. First we will see in our Excel if we have any data from the column K. No, and this F1 to F1 there is a data. We are going to the model and I will run. So in the Excel sheet you will see the data is copied from F1 to F10 to K1 to K10. These are the two methods how you can easily copy paste using Visual Basics. So now we will see how we can change the font size, uh, or we can bold, we can make bold or normal, more normal the data. So we will right now we will see the font size, how to change the font size. So we will give this name as font. So it is from, again select the range which you want to change the fonts. So it will be F1 to F10, that equals to, and we have hello font. So this time we will write something else. Welcome to my channel. So this will override to the F1 to F10, or we can delete this all the data. So here we will change the font names. So it will be range, the bracket, it will be F1 to F10, it will be, then you have to type dot font, then dot name will be equal to, now from here any name we can change, any font name we can change, like it will be Arial or Arial Black, any of the font, whichever the font you want to change it. So I will use Arial and enter. Now we will see how the font. So here you can see that it has changed to Arial. So if I want to change to something else, so you can change off with anyone, any of the font name. Now I want to change this to Cambria. So if I go to this, so here the font has been changed from Arial to Cambria. It has been changed. So like same way, so you can change to the bold and you can change to the font size. So now we will bold this column. So same, it will be range. Select the range from F1 to F10, then dot font, then dot. Now I want to make it as a bold. So here bold, it will ask it's true or false. If you say true, then it will make the column as bold. Sorry, I did not run it. So now we will run this. So now you can see it has changed to the bold. So here you can see it has been grayed out. So next we will see change the font size. So now present the font size is 14. So we will make it as font size to 20. So give the range should be F1 to F10 dot font and dot size. Now here you can give 10, 15, 20 as per your requirement. You can give the font size. Now for example I will give it as 20. So in the Excel at present it is showing as font size 14. So we will run this. So if we go back to our Excel sheet, now all the data has got turned to bold. So this is how one by one you can change your font name, or from normal to the bold or italic or underline. So this is the simple and basic method how you can use VBA and how you can start learning the VBA codes, Visual Basics. So for today this is the topic of how to copy paste and how you can make changes in the fonts. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.